हॅपी बर्थडे कांचन. वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. आजचा वाढदिवस त्यासाठी कारण मला आठवण करावी आणि या मला तुझ्या आयुष्य अधिकाधिक सुंदर व्हावे. जे काही स्वप्न आहे सर्व स्वप्न तुझी पूर्ण व्हावी. अशी यशस्वीरित्या पुढे जात राहावी. तुझ्या पुढील निरोगी आणि चांगल्या आरोग्यासाठी खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. हॅपी बर्थडे.
Hi Kanchan, wish you many happy returns of the day. Lord bless you.
Many happy returns of the day, Didi. God bless you and I once again happy birthday to you.
Hi Didi, wish you many happy returns of the day. God bless you and may your all dreams come in true.
Hi Dushna, wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you. May your birthday be special as you are special to me. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Bobby. Lots of love and good wishes. Mwah. Happy birthday to you, Vadina. May God bless you. May you reach peaks full of success and happiness into your life. Love you.
Happy birthday, Jyotsna. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. Stay blessed, party and enjoy.
Hi Jyotsna, happy birthday.
Hi Jyotsna, wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Hi Mama, wish you many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Stay home, stay safe.
Hi Jyotsna, after so many years I'm here to wish you a happy birthday. Have a colorful year ahead. God bless you. Have a great day.
Hi, Jyotsna. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Keep smiling.
Hi Joe, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Have a great day. Enjoy your life.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Jyotsna. Happy birthday to you. Wish you many more happy returns of the day, Jyotsna. God bless you. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye.
Joe, many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you with lots of love and shower of blessings. Be happy, be strong, and love you so much.
Many more happy returns of the day, Jyotsna. Keep smiling. God bless you. Stay blessed.
Hello Joe. Mwah. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. Have a blast, have fun. అండ్ ఇవాళ నువ్వు చాలా 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 ఎంజాయ్ చేయాలి, చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉండాలి. నువ్వు ఇలాంటి పుట్టినరోజులు మరెన్నెన్నో జరుపుకోవాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను. तुम जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू. लव यू डियर.
Hi Mama, wish you many more happy returns of the day. I wish this upcoming year brings you a lot of happiness and makes you always happy.
I wish you many more happy returns of the day, Joe. God bless you with good health. Nacharaj party one day. See you tonight. Bye.
Hi Joe, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Thank you for being my best friend. Keep smiling always. You are not only my best friend and my best sister also. Sending lots of love. Love you, sister.
Hi Jyotsna, wish you many more happy returns of the day. Stay happy, be happy, and keep smiling.
Hi, Jyotsna. Wish you many more happy returns of the day. Thank you for being my best friend. You always encourage me and motivate me. You're so caring and
Hi Joe, wish you many more happy returns of the day. God bless you abundantly.
Wish you happy birthday, Joe. God bless you with lots of happiness.
Happy birthday to you, Marty.
Hi Mama, wish you many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you. May your all wishes come true and be happy always. Keep smiling. Take care both of you. Enjoy your day.
Hi Jyotsna, happy birthday. Wish you many more happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday to you, Jyotsna. May God bless you.
Hi Jyotsna, may God bless you. Happy birthday. We thank God for one more year in your life. Whatever God has done, word of God says, may He grant all your heart's desire and your plans. May this year be a blessing to you. And thank you. Bye.
Hi Jyotsna, wish you happy birthday, and I pray to God that He may grant you everything that you desire. I believe and I speak this blessing into your life that this is the day that the Lord has made. Let us be glad and rejoice in it. Rejoice always and be glad and give thanks to the Lord in all that you have. Be happy, stay happy. stay safe.
Happy birthday, Joshna. Have a blessed day and enjoy your day.
Krishna, happy birthday. Word of God says, the God who protects you never sleeps nor slumbers. May God bless you.
Many more happy returns of the day, Joshna. Have a great day. Keep smiling. God bless you. Thank you.
Hi Joshna, happy birthday. God bless you. May all your dreams come true and have a great success ahead.
Happy birthday, Joshna. May God bless you.
Hi Joshna, happy birthday. On this special occasion, I want to say you something. Thanks for being my friend, and I hope that Nani is very blessed to have you. So in coming days, be more prayerful and more near to God, and He's going to bless you more and more. So once again, I'm saying wish you many more happy returns of the day. Stay happy, celebrate hard. Bye.
జోష్నక్క విష్ యూ మెనీ మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ద డే. ఇలాగే ఎన్నో పుట్టినరోజు జరుపుకోవాలని మేము ఆశిస్తున్నాము. సో కొంచెం మా బర్త్డే రోజు మాకు పెద్ద సైజ్ కేక్ తెస్తే మేము తిని కొంచెం తృప్తి పడతాం, కొంచెం మిగిలితే ఇంటికి కూడా తెచ్చుకుంటాం. ఓకేనా? థ్యాంక్ యూ, బాయ్.
Hi Joshna, happy birthday. I wish you to get these birthdays more and more like this. Be happy, keep smiling. Take care.
Hi, the many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you. Happy birthday.
I wish you a very happy birthday, Joshna. Stay blessed. Stay the same. Keep smiling always. Enjoy each and every moment of your life. And hope your quarantine is going very good. And don't forget to give the party. And we'll still remember the funny incidences that took place in the carriage time and when we are going to youth retreats. They make me feel so funny. And be the same. Keep smiling. And Rajkumar brother is lucky to have you. So don't forget to give the party, and we'll meet soon after this lockdown ends.
जन्मदिन मुबारक हो बाबी जी. जियो 100 साल. दावत जबाजाब. अच्छा रहो, दिलदार रहो, दिन पूरा शुभ रहो.
Hi Joshna, happy birthday.
Hi Joshna Bobby, happy birthday. May God bless you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Bobby. All your dreams and birthday wishes come true.
Happy birthday Joshna.
హాయ్ వదిన, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. మే గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. నాన్న అసలు నమ్మకు, స్వీట్లు తింటాడు, నేను వదిలేసి బయటికి పోతాడు, ఆయన నమ్మకు. హాయ్ వదిన, హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే.
హాయ్ జోష్నక్క, మెనీ మోర్ హ్యాపీ రిటర్న్స్ ఆఫ్ ది డే. ఇలాంటి బర్త్డేస్ ఎన్నో సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకోవాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
Hi Joshnaka, happiest birthday ever. Wishing you to celebrate many more birthdays like this. Always keep that cute smile and have a great future with our lovely brother. Bye.
Hi Joshnaka, happy birthday. Stay safe and stay happy. May God bless you. Bye.
హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ. నాకు ఇంకా గుర్తుపడిన ఆ రోజు నాకు చేసిన ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ గురించి చెప్పిన థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అక్క. హ్యాపీ బర్త్డే టు యూ.
Hi Joe, many more happy returns of the day.
Hi Joshnaka, wish you many happy returns of the day. May God bless you and have a nice day.